birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jack Jack.
Happy birthday to you. Whoa. Good save, Molly.
Thank you. What was that?
Taste it.
Jack, what's that in front of you? Oh, there you go. That's what you do.
What is it? What is that, Jack? Oh,
I want a piece.
hold on. Did Jack get some? Is that
Do it, Jack. Do it.
It's okay. You do it, Jack. Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah.
There you go. Mmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Is that good? Sit back so you can watch them doing it. You can sit where I'm sitting. Oh, no. Is that good?
You look like a statue.
Is that good, Jack Jack?
It's good.
No. Don't do that, dude. It's not cool. Alright, Nana.
He's about to put his hair.
What's he doing? Yeah. Nana? Oh, okay. Good job. Jack Jack, feed Nana some. Give Nana some.
I think I'm gonna sit down. How do I get this chair over here? The birthday boy is Jackson.
Nana, sit down some so we can get you in there. There you go. Is that good? Yeah.
What part of the cake do I actually get to eat?
Maybe like a little piece over here.
Yeah,
It did say happy birthday, Jack.
I got that.
Oh, okay. Nana, give him a little piece of cake. Is that good? Jack, give Dad that some. Give Dad that some, Jack.
Can I have some cake? He's too busy.
Jack, give Dad that some. Say ah. Say some.
Say some.
Some? Can I have some?
Give Dad that some.
He's a mess.
Is that good?
Oh, this is
It's okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's all right. Mama clean it up. Is that good, Jack? What do you think, Nana? Is it good? Is it tasty? Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat anymore either.
I could have got you a spoon.
What's the point?
How is it? It's good.
It's delicious.
Jackson's first birthday, and he got an ice cream cake. Made with cookies and cream ice cream.
I know what you're doing.
Nana.
Oh, you got me. Maggie's gonna have fun cleaning this up.
Alright, well, she can't clean too much up because there's chocolate in it.
That's right.
Guess she'll die.
Get this.
This is true. Is that good, Jack? Not. Alright.